how do we ensure we have fodder throughout the year? And for a profitable dairy farming, you need to plant your own quality fodder. So let me take you through this farm, and I'll be showing you how prepared we should be when it comes to fodder, planting, preservation, and all that. So here we have super Napier. This is super Napier, as you can see it, and it has occupied large space of land. Yeah, a very large space of land. Here we have different type of grasses. We have bracharia, morato too, and look at this. This is super Napier. You have to be prepared, whether you like it or not, if you want to make it big in dairy farming. Look at that. All that is different types of super Napier, as you can see it there. So this is bracharia, and this one is bomber root. Yeah, the one that we use to make hay. Yeah, so this is bomber root, and this one is bracharia. This is bracharia morato 2, as you can see here. Do dairy farming not as a joke, but as a serious business. Look at all that. That is super Napier, and I have come to get some cuttings. All these is super Napier, as you can see. Yeah, check out that. This is what we call now proper dairy farming with security in fodder. You can do more, you can be big, you can do everything. Look at this. These were planted the other day, but what we are seeing is a very organized farmer. Yeah, this is what we call super Napier. Yeah, from a very serious dairy farmer. Yeah, look at all these. Today I'm having some cuttings, and we have a farmer there. He wants to rap, but he is camera shy. Yeah. This was cut from. This was planted one cutting, but look at all these cuttings that you can see here. So it is possible, guys. Be like this farmer. Don't be like other farmers.
Okay.
So here is super Napier Pakchong 1, as you can see it, and the advantage of this is, one, it's drought resistant, and the growth rate is very high. As you can see, all these is super Napier. All these, even this one, but these one are not yet. They don't have those cutting or those stems, but these one have, and this farmer is selling these cuttings with just 20 bob. You can get a cutting wherever you are. We can send it as a parcel. Yeah, so contact me, and we will just send wherever you are. And especially if you are in Kenya, around Kenya, we can send you either through G4S or other means of. So these cuttings are ready to be planted, and you too can have such a big. Look at the stems, very healthy. Yeah, these are the steps of Pakchong. They are very healthy, and you just need to plant. You see these. You just need to plant and they will be okay. So you can have this. Yeah, this is for just for my subscribers. If you have been watching my videos, this farmer has just because he is also one of my subscriber, has decided to be selling cutting for just 20 bob. Yeah, and this is pure Pakchong. So look at like examples of this one. It has already started planting out, so you just cut and plant. Yeah, so this farmer started with few stems, and look at where he is now. Yeah, all this is Pakchong. If you see that down that is still pak chong. Yeah, and if you are even at that far end there, let me zoom so that you can see, all that is pak chong. Yeah, so if you need cuttings, just contact me. We'll just send as a parcel wherever you are, especially if you are in Kenya. So plant these during this rainy season, just one cutting. Like now, this was planted just one cutting, and look, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 times already. Look at that one. Yeah, so make your order. We will just send it as a parcel. So today we are just harvesting, as you can see, and we are just harvesting a bit by bit. Yeah, some farmers have already ordered, so I just wanted to enlighten you. You take this chance, and we grow together as farmers. So that is for fodder. Fodder security is the most crucial thing when it comes to dairy farming. And the best plant fodder to plant right now, the one that is trending is Super Napier. We have super vines. Those are sweet potato vines. We have other types of grasses like bracharia. We have bracharia. We have others. Yeah, so it's up to you. You decide. The advantages of these, I've told you, it has fast growth and fast maturity. It is drought resistance. It is very the stem is very succulent. It is very palatable when it comes to, if you chop using the chop cutter, the animal will eat the entire thing. Yeah, unlike the old ordinary grass, Napier grass. So this one is the best. Yeah, even in this condition, you still can feed your cows and it will eat everything because the sugar content is very high. It is very palatable and it is very soft. Yeah, so make your order, guys, and we'll just deliver.